How's it going, everyone? So in this video, we're going to be doing some Kegel exercises. It's going to be a Kegel workout. Make sure you guys do follow along with me at home to see the best results. Let's get started right now, my friends. So the exercise that we're going to be doing today is going to be the bridge. The bridge, number one exercise in my opinion for doing the Kegel exercises. So let's get started right now.
One. Got to turn this hat sideways, my friends. It's getting in the way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Take a minute break. You guys deserve that. And then we're just going to continue doing this for our workout. And this is how you guys are going to see the best results. Make sure you watch the whole video through and you follow along with me at home. 20 repetitions is the number of repetitions that we will be doing today. We will be taking rest periods to around a minute rest periods, though that's really good in my opinion. We could do 30 seconds, but I'm feeling a minute, feeling a little bit lazy today, you guys. 1 minute rest periods. I'm going to talk a little bit about what's going on in my life. Just different things, different topics, and yeah, should be a good and exciting video, my friends. So people always ask me what's going on in my life, what do I do? I'm currently doing my medical course right now, medical transcription, and that is going pretty good. I'm writing my proficiency exam, and yeah, so that's going really well. Doing the YouTube, of course. Okay, I'll continue talking, but we have to do another 20 repetitions.
Put the hat sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Now, for anyone wondering why I'm wearing the hat, sometimes when you just have bad hair, you don't want to spike it, you just put a hat on it, fixes everything. So actually it really doesn't, but whatever. So yeah, making the YouTube videos. I know you guys like Kegel exercises, you like ab exercises, you like ab workouts, Kegel workouts, you like push-up workouts. That's what I'm trying to give you guys every single time. And that's the videos that that's the videos that I'm getting the views from, and that tells me that you guys are enjoying those videos. When I put other videos out there, sometimes they don't get that many views, so I can tell from the views that you guys aren't enjoying them. You don't want to click on them, so that's a reason why I make these videos, so you guys can enjoy them, and that's the kind of videos that you guys want. So
do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Take a little bit of a break, then we'll do her again. But yeah, the Kegel exercises you guys are enjoying. I might need to get a mat upstairs. Just kind of hurting my feet to do it on here. But anyways, yeah, YouTube videos are going good. Work is currently going good too. Everything is going good. But yeah, everything is going good. Pretty busy, pretty stressed out lately, but that is how it goes. That's what's up. We'll keep doing the Kegel exercises, my friends.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
I would also like to thank all my subscribers out there for watching all my videos. Again, I have the plaque. I'm looking at it right now, that plaque. 100,000 subscribers. I know it's possible to get 1 million too, so we're going to be trying for 1 million subscribers, you guys. Honestly, to get 1 million subscribers, I figure for me to get 110,000 subscribers, or I'm at 117,000 right now, and it's slowly going up. Not slowly, I get around 1,000 subscribers every 2 days. So for me to get 1 million, I'll continue this. We gotta do our glute bridges.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
So as I was saying, for me to get 1 million subscribers right now, I have 2 videos over 2 million views, 4 videos over 1 million views, and I have a couple that are 850,000 videos too. So that has gotten me 117,000 subscribers. For me to get 1 million, I figure at least 10 more videos or 20 more videos over 1 million. So if I can do that somehow, which I know I can, then I think that will get me the 1 million subscribers. But either way, that's my next goal. That's the long-term goal, is to get 1 million subscribers. Next goal is to get 200,000 subscribers, 250,000 subscribers. So let's get started. Let's do our glute bridges again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Whew. Now another thing I might do with my channel, I know you guys love the workout videos, and what I've been noticing, that what people do is they'll start off doing fitness and then they'll kind of gravitate towards other stuff as well, and that's kind of what I want to do as well. I always want to keep though making fitness videos, because that's kind of where I started off, but I would love to start doing eating challenges. So if you guys are watching this right now, you're watching the video, comment below, let me know what you guys think about me doing eating challenges. I think that would be so cool, and a lot of people get just a ton of views doing it because people love watching those kind of videos. So just comment below, let me know what you guys think about me doing eating challenges. Okay, let's get started. Let's do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
But again, I love making these videos. I love making how-to videos, how to get abs, for kids, how to get Kegels, or how to do Kegel exercises for men, step by step, just different videos like that. And I love demonstrating the exercises, doing the exercises with you guys. I feel a lot of people on YouTube, they don't really do that with their videos anymore. They kind of just show them working out. I think it's very good to actually show you doing like the how-to, doing the beginner exercises, showing your subscribers how to do that. That, in my opinion, is very good. And I'm seeing results. I'm seeing a lot of my subscribers like what I'm doing. So I'm just going to keep doing that, my friends. So we'll do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Plus, I like learning the different exercises. Like, there's some exercises for Kegels that I had no idea could actually work for your Kegel muscles, like leg raises. Never thought in a million years that would actually help for your Kegels. But doing some researching what other people have been doing too, and it does work. Like, it works really good. So if you're not feeling it in your Kegels, your Kegel muscles, then try doing leg raises. Leg raises can help you start to see the results a little bit better. Okay, you guys, another 9 seconds, then we will finish up last set, and we are completely done with this workout. Great job if you guys have been following along at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. End of workout, my friends. Great job if you've been following along with me at home. If you guys haven't been, that's okay too. Again, just appreciate you guys watching even a minute of my video. I appreciate all the time that you guys spend watching my videos. Even if you can't watch the whole video, that's completely fine. But again, I do recommend watching the whole video, watching everything through, because if you watch everything through, you soak up all the information. And plus, if I'm doing it and you start doing it too at the same time as me, and we do the workout together, over time we're both going to grow at the same time. So we're both going to see our Kegel muscles developing at the same time. If you don't watch it and you only do it for a couple of minutes, then you're not really going to see the results. So that's just what I recommend doing. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video and share it. Thanks again.